Good morning, YouTube. We're converting this Ferrari F430 into a manual, and there's a gremlin sticking out of the hood.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
For your channel, my name is Dan. That is Josh the gremlin. I'm actually kind of impressed that he fits in the front like that. Did you detach your legs?
No, they're in here.
We got the parts in to finish up the car, so the goal is to try and finish this 430 conversion today and get it out on the road.
At least get it running.
Yeah, we gotta get it running and see if we can shift some gears and stuff. If you didn't know, we are working on a Dr. S conversion kit. We've been trying to see if theirs is good, bad, whatever, so far.
Show them the inside. I started putting that back.
Oh yeah, we'll show you that in a second. It's been going pretty good. So real quick, like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course check out normalguyssupercar.com and our dealership, NG Supercars. There you can buy parts services on normalguyssupercar.com, and you can buy cars from us, including this car, which is for sale. So hit us up, sales at NG Supercars. So Josh is doing the clutch master cylinder. We got the new one with the new mounting kit and whatever. Unfortunately, it means we had to unbolt all the old stuff, but you know, sometimes
that's how it goes.
That's how it is. Josh wanted me to show you this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, console's in, everything's in. We just need to put the seats back in. Oh yeah, there's a real strong chance this sucker's gonna be driving today.
You're gonna have to do this. My hands, I can't get it.
Okay, I'll give it a shot.
You need small hands.
This is this small hands job. All right, got the bottom panel attached, and Josh is over here working on getting the fender liner put back into place. We also zip tied all of the F1 pump stuff out of the way, so all that's nice and tucked away, so nothing will get caught on fire or whatever. Okay, so I just did the adjustment on the shift linkage, and what I think is the best way to do it is actually jank it around and figure out 5th and 6th gear, okay? Which direction the cables are going. Put the cables into 5th gear if you can. Disconnect the arms and then manually move it into 5th gear or 6th gear, either one, and then adjust the shift linkages to where that position is while it's in 5th or 6th gear. As soon as Josh did that, then I cinched him down and he was able to bang through the gears like it was nothing.
It goes through them nicely.
Yeah, so now it's rowing through the gears perfectly. All right, YouTube, moment of truth. We're gonna hook up the battery, see if we can start it, see if the clutch works, see if the car will go in gear and stuff. So, all right, I'll put in the battery. Oh, it's gonna want you to do the immobilizer.
Where's the key?
On the dash. You have to shut the door, then lock, then unlock. There you go. There you go. EDIF failure.
We have to program it.
Okay.
To tell it there's no EDIF.
Yeah.
So I'm reading real quick on how to do it.
Okay.
Ignition key on in position 2, engine stop. Manatino in low grip rain mode. We put it in wet mode.
Okay.
Press and hold the brake pedal and simultaneously press slightly and hold the accelerator pedal for 5 seconds. The instrument panel will flash a dash in the gear display. If one or more pedals are released after the 5-second period, the setup will be cancelled. Release both pedals when the N is displayed. So we go
brake, gas.
Hang on, let me read it again. 1. Okay, it's dashing, so when it turns to an N, we let off. Okay. A short beep from the instrument panel indicates that the EDIF ECU is enabled and the device status light will flash slowly. It's on solid now, let's see here. A long beep, which we got, indicates it's disabled.
Oh, good.
And the device status light will stay on, which it is.
Oh, good.
So,
I think I've programmed it.
It's in neutral.
It says neutral?
It says neutral. I mean, should we start it?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Well, it's already on.
Okay, here we go. Let's get our clusters off. Like the gear display turned off.
The ended?
Yeah.
That's fine. Come on.
There's no error messages. The trunk is open.
Try first gear. There you go. Yep. What?
It beeped because it knew it was in reverse.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, look.
Oh, you check the lights. Yeah! Reverse lights work. Holy shit!
I'm in shock.
Well,
The parking sensors are going off. Just
Dude.
because I put it in reverse.
yeah.
Dude, I think we got it.
It's working. We need to put in some seats and go drive it.
Yeah, we do.
We need to put it. Holy shit. There you go. Holy shit. It's alive.
Oh my god, I can't believe it was that easy.
That was not bad. Well,
We've been waiting for this moment for a while.
yes. Let's do it. Immobilizer? That's interesting.
Maybe it's the clutch switch. Since I adjusted it.
I saw it say 3 on the dash. It's the immobilizer. That's definitely a immobilizer.
What did we do?
Change anything?
Usually if it's immobilizer, you'll get the red exclamation point.
Can we try it now? What in the world's going on now? Why did it work before?
I didn't change anything.
We didn't
Oh, maybe I have to have the brake on.
try it. Nope. Great. What's wrong now? This makes absolutely no sense. The only thing that's changed since when we started is we put in the seats. Why would it be bitching about the seats? I don't know. This makes no sense. All right, so we pulled all the fuses and checked them, the ones behind the passenger seat. There was one fuse that's 5 amps, it's blown. I think maybe it's the immobilizer. Anyway, we're gonna plug it back in, see if the immobilizer is happy now. So on with the battery. Should get a beep.
He's not working still.
It's not looking good. I didn't get a beep. Nope. Let me check that fuse again. Maybe it popped immediately. Fuse we checked is this one right here. Oh, it blew.
It blew?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta figure out what that fuse is.
Well, that fuse blew. That's not good. Something's popping the... Why would it pop the immobilizer? Check to make sure it's supposed to be a 5 amp.
I'm trying to find the diagram. Actually,
Okay.
where's that factory manual at?
Oh yeah. All right, it's definitely the immobilizer. There's got to be a short somewhere because I started putting in a fuse while the battery was still on, and you could hear it go pop, and it just blew the fuse instantly. Damn it! Why did it work? And then it stopped working. I don't get it. Anyway, we'll have to continue this tomorrow. It's late at night, so we'll see you in the morning.